A fancy workshop without the right set of tools and equipment is as good as a car without petrol. You cannot move one step forward from there. Which is why I have set up this module to help you understand the different kinds and types of tools and equipments that are required in a multi-brand two-wheeler service center. What we are also trying to understand here is the fact that if you look into a Royal Enfield dealership or a Royal Enfield service center, you will notice that majority of the vehicles that come into that service center on a regular basis are majorly vehicles with a very similar make and model. And hence, the kind of tools and equipment that is required to work on those kind of vehicles is also very limited. However, in our case, when we are dealing with a multi-brand service center, we are going to be dealing with bikes of various makes and manufacturers. Therefore, it is essential that we equip our workshop with the kind of tools and equipments that help us to work on pretty much every make and model of a motorcycle without having to compromise on the process of working on motorcycles, and also save us a lot of space, time and money when it comes to operating the workshop.